we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Synthetic foam and silicone are good partners. The silicone glue is an adaptable bonding and sealing adhesive that allows you to manipulate foam rubber as the glue dries. Silicone glue works best on silicone rubber. It is fairly easy to obtain at hardware or big box home improvement stores. What type of glue to use for foam rubber, Hunker?
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.